All right, take 500. In today's video, we're going to be showcasing two products that you can purchase now at Car Supply's warehouse. So guys, I'm going to be using Sonax glass cleaner and their spray and seal. Now I'm showcasing these two products because Car Supply's warehouse now carries a ton of Sonax products. Now Sonax is a German company and they make some really nice high-end products. I also have the Max Cut in the Perfect Finish, which we'll show you guys in a later video. But for now, I wanted to focus on the glass cleaner and the spray and seal. Now, for a glass cleaner, I know there's so many different glass cleaners on the market, and true, you can keep it very simple by just using a simple isopropyl alcohol mixture. So when it comes to glass cleaners, you choose what works best for you. Don't go and just buy the products because I'm showing you. I'm just showing you because, well, it's fun to try out new products. Start off by washing your vehicle. Thoroughly rinse and go through the proper steps to remove any grime and heavy dirt buildup with an APC or degreaser rinse. This softens up any grime and removes the majority of heavy dirt and particles on the paint. Next, we foam down the vehicle and begin our contact wash. After a thorough rinse, we mist each panel with the Sonax spray and seal. A little goes a long way, so start at the top and work your way down with 2 to 4 sprays per panel. Rinse with your pressure washer or a strong hose. You really want a powerful spray of water to activate the sealant and have it bond properly. After each panel is sealed and rinsed, towel dry with your favorite drying towel. Today we're using this Autofiber Dreadnought Junior towel. You can also use a blower if you have one. Finally, admire that slick, glossy surface. Now let's move on to the glass of this Lincoln Navigator. Now we're working in the full sun, so this was a perfect time to try out the Sonax glass cleaner. You'll notice that it took multiple applications and multiple towels, going back and forth both inside and outside, making sure to catch every last streak and smudge. But eventually the cleaner and the towels did their job. Just make sure to work methodically and carefully, and you'll achieve great results. Glass cleaning in full sun can be achieved. say the Sonax glass cleaner was pretty impressive. For cleaning the nasty film on the inside of the windshield, it did a really good job. But now again, these products are a little bit higher end, a little bit pricier, so they may not be designed necessarily for mobile detailers. Now the spray and seal worked phenomenally well. Now we were working on this vehicle, and to tell you the truth, even though you do want to go through all of the proper steps, properly wash it, decon it, clay bar it, whatever you want to do, even if you want to do a light polish, that's up to you. But where this stuff really comes in handy is maintenance washing. So you can use it on coatings, on previously waxed cars. And what we did on this vehicle was actually just wash it and rinse it and then apply this. So we actually didn't clay bar on this particular vehicle. But I did that on purpose because I wanted to see what this stuff would do. And it performed great. Spray on, rinse off, you had awesome beading and sheeting, and then after we dried everything, the paint still felt slick. Even though you could feel a little bit of grittiness on the paint, it still had a very slick feeling to it, which is kind of interesting. So this stuff definitely bonded, and it made the surface glossy and slick, even though we didn't actually have to go through all the steps of clay barring. But I did that on purpose because I wanted to see what it could do. Of course, if you clay bar it, if you decon it, and the paint is grit-free, this stuff will perform even better, and the paint will feel even slicker. So far, very impressed with this stuff. You don't need to use a lot, as you saw, and I think it actually works better than a lot of other spray and rinse sealants that I've used. A little bit goes a long way. It really performs very, very well. And that vehicle that we worked on had absolutely no protection whatsoever, completely dead, completely flat, and this stuff produced a ton of beading and sheeting, making the drying process so much easier. Awesome stuff for maintenance details, so if you want to try it for yourself, check out Car Supplies Warehouse and you can pick up the full line of Sonax products there. But that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who might enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time these videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And again, if you want to pick up these products, check out the links down below. You can click on the individual links to check out those products, and I have a ton of other products there that we use on a daily basis in our detailing business. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great week.